In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix inventory not tracked in Shopify. When inventory is not tracked, Shopify will not automatically reduce stock levels after each order. That can lead to overselling or confusion about what you actually have available. The fix is usually quick, and it is done directly inside the product settings. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Products. This is where you manage everything you sell, including inventory settings. Next, find the product that is not tracking inventory correctly and click the product name to open it. You are now on the product details page, where you can edit information like pricing, images, and inventory. Now scroll down until you see the inventory section. This area controls whether Shopify keeps count of stock and what happens when stock runs out. Take a moment to confirm you are looking at the right product, especially if you have similar items in your catalog. If your product has variants like different sizes or colors, you will need to update the setting on the specific variant. Click on a variant to open its details. Variants can have separate inventory settings, so it is important to check the exact version of the product you sell. If your product does not have variants, stay on the main product page and continue in the inventory section there. In the inventory section, look for the option that says Track Quantity and check that box. This tells Shopify to track stock for that product or variant, so the available quantity will update as sales come in. There is also an optional setting called Continue Selling when out of stock. Turn this on only if you want customers to be able to place orders even when inventory reaches zero. This is commonly used for pre-orders or made-to-order items. If you are trying to prevent overselling, leave it turned off so Shopify can stop sales when you run out. Finally, click Save. This locks in your changes. If you updated a variant, repeat the same process for any other variants that should be tracked. And that is all there is to it.